All these niggas pussy, yeah, they sissy. Hey.
Look, man, before we start this video, don't ask me why I'm in the bathroom, okay? My bathroom clean, bitch. I know y'all gonna say something. Fuck you. Look, man, right to the text, okay? I got them. Do you know, nigga? I had to search for these. When they said a trap store, I literally had to go to the trap store, dog. I went to the gas station. Don't nobody go to this gas station, right? Nobody. I saw somebody put them on Snapchat. I was like, damn, how'd you get them? Tested. She was like, this gas station. So I went there and I bought them. So we gonna eat them, nigga. Fuck you, baby. Hey. If you new, subscribe. Why I put thumbs up every time I say subscribe? That's some shit I do. Subscribe. Leave a like on this video. But yeah, man. Hey. Gotta get a little thumbnail action, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, though, hey. Woo! Bad and bougie. First thing I noticed, Migos. Why the hell is this bag so big? There ain't nothing in here, nigga. These bitches better be good, bruh. The bag this big, but really the chips don't start to right here, dog. Like, anyways, man. Let me just nice size, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Bro. Bruh. But for real though, on my grandma these hoes good. On my mama. Hold up. Mama! Y'all lucky my mama ain't home. These hoes good as hell. Wow. The sour cream really sets it off, but the dab of ranch is just exquisite. You know what I mean? You know, it's just, you know, you get the full extent. A+. This is great. My recommendation. Everybody, find you a trap store. I can't even show y'all the bag, bro. These hoes good as hell. Like, all jokes aside. Oh my mama, these hoes smasher. I need them. But yeah, find you a store? Nigga. Find your local trap store, okay? Find the gas station that nobody goes to, and you always skip that gas station. You know, they get gas prices be like $3 fucking cause don't nobody go there. So they gotta sell high gas to keep their stuff running. Find that gas station, go inside, find you some D's, nigga. D's. Look, this hoe's smashing. On my mama. I don't know how many times I gotta put it on my mama for y'all to believe me, but hey, these hoes smashing. Please sponsor me. Yeah. If you see this video and you welcome to this channel, while I'm eating these chips, I'm gonna talk to y'all. And subscribe to this channel below. And leave a like on this video. And press the bell because YouTube, I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Press the bell though. And fuck with these chips. Yeah. They all good. Other than that, man, I'm not gonna smash the rest of these chips. You know what I'm saying? I bought 2 bags. Cause I know these hoes gonna be, they had to be good. But yeah, we out, man.
Yeah, call me Mr. Notifications. Hey,
Rick,
hey,
and that is
yeah. I make a buzz on my shit.